Hey guys, welcome back to Six Sister Stuff. Today I am making something you've all been asking for. It's an Instant Pot dessert. So I'm Kristen, I am the second oldest from SixSisterStuff.com, and today I am making Instant Pot apple dump cake. So I'm sorry, a lot of you have been asking for desserts. My only problem is when I make desserts, I usually eat all of them. So I try and not make as many desserts, but I was kind of in a snacky mood, so I wanted to make something delicious. So this one is so easy to make. You throw everything in, you cook it, and you're done. And in case you didn't know, I'm sharing with you every Monday a new Instant Pot recipe. So be sure to subscribe to our channel and push the little bell so you can get all the notifications every time I'm posting something new. All right guys, let's go to the Instant Pot and make this amazing apple dump cake. So I didn't forget about those who love slow cookers. I'm gonna put a link in the description with the slow cooker recipe. So first, I'm gonna start with a little pan that will fit right inside my Instant Pot. You can use a springform pan, you can use a glass bowl even if you wanted to. So then I'm gonna add a 20-ounce can of apple pie filling. And you're gonna dump it just right into the bottom of your pan. After that, you're gonna spread it around the best you can. Then on top of that, you're going to add 2 cups of yellow cake mix. You could also add white cake mix or even a spice cake mix would be delicious. Then just pat it all around. Now you don't want to soak it into the apple, but you're going to press it down pretty even so when we put the butter on top, it won't spread all in one corner. Okay, so I have 4 tablespoons of butter here that I'm going to spread around the best that I can. You don't want to be mixing it in your cake mix. It will cook, I promise. You're just going to spread it. So now I'm going to add 1 cup of water inside of my Instant Pot. And if you notice my little trivet thing, I don't want my bowl to sit right into the water, so it's going to sit right on top of that. And that is all you have to do. So now you're just going to take the lid, put it on, make sure that it's on sealing and not venting. There we go, sealing. And you're going to cook it on manual for 25 minutes. Once it's done, you're going to push it over to venting because we're going to do a quick release with this one. Then when it's all done releasing its pressure, you can take the lid off and it smells amazing. Once the steam kind of goes away, then you can pull it right out. Now I love to make this right as we're eating dinner, and so it's all ready to go when dinner is done. I love to add a little bit of ice cream on top, or you can add whatever you like to put on your apple dump cake, also known as apple cobbler. I hope you loved this Instant Pot dessert. I will be making a cheesecake in the next few weeks. Alright guys, don't forget subscribe, and I'll see you next Monday.